Go. Okay, let's go.
No drinks have had yet. Bozeman's about to dome. What do you think, Bozeman? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, yeah, that's unfortunate. You hate to see it. Bozeman, you thirsty? You thirsty, bud? Nope. It's too tall. Thought it was a king can. There, yep. There it is. Chill, baby. Drink that shit, Poe. Hope you enjoy. I'm just such a good What did she say?
You're looking great there. It's just straight. You can't shotgun a beer because you can't shotgun a beer. Holy fuck. Oh. It's over. Never. I got my shit back.
Just that bottom up. Freedom kiss, it's got the case on. good, bud. How are you doing? No, she's chilling. Paul and I are doing good. The flow. Brandon Squealer. Ready, Jordo? Go for a little venture, buddy. You like that?
Oh, that's where it's leaking?
It blew up, yeah.
Oh, that's a little nice drinky poo right there.
She works. Woohoo! As long as no one biffs her, we're chilling. Woohoo!
Oh, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, there we go, Jordo.
I can't say this.
You gotta get. Oh. You jealous?
I am a little bit. I'll tell you what.
Just.
Oh, turn it down.
It's a little muddy. If you need, we can give you a tow, but that's why I got a tow rope in my truck, Po. Oh, it's just like these. I was waiting for one of you guys to get stuck, and I was like, we're gonna have to bust that puppy out later.
My Jeep got stuck right there. I was like,
Where is he? Where are we going?
where are you moving this shit?
Yes, sir. He's backing up more yet. Traction's a little slippy.
That's good, bud. Yeah.
Pop that tailgate. Yeah, you know what's up. Some demon.
Rough all night to get. Rough all night to get. Rough all night to get. Rough all night to get.
Just don't want to jump on the one leg. I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Rough all night to get lucky. Rough all night to get
You need it. Jordo, you need a hand, buddy?
lucky. Rough all night to get lucky. Rough all night to get lucky. Rough all night to get lucky. Rough all night to get
Oh,
lucky.
dude, I was expecting that shit to be like a fucking metric ton. Oh. Yeah, that's the best part about getting later into the weekend is you drank more. Yeah.
I like having you load mine in here too, boys.
I didn't want to tell him to post stuff anywhere. No, I don't want to count. Did he go down?
Some minute, how you know, I'm. Oh shit, we can't include none of this on the vlog.
I was like, there ain't no way to get in fucking bump.
Did he drive it? Did he send it?
No, he went back.
Why is he showing up so fucking late is my question.
It's Saturday too, like.
Oh, do you want to load some chairs, Jordo? Well, if we lay him in front of the fire. Another one? Oh shit! Bro's got night vision. Sheesh. You're gotta love it. Eric, you like the drink? The upside down PBR.
Okay, sideways video, gear up.
I'm on it.
Okay.
I'm also on it. Yes!
Oh, sorry.
Alright,
Let her rip, buddy.
turn back.
Let her rip, buddy. Let her rip. Let the big dog eat.
Let her buck. Oh, she's bucking.
Holy fuck.
Real hard.
Oh,
God.
Oh, fuck.
Good, man.
Fuck. Shit. Go.